Most of us are used to using a formula such as this one or the CONCAT formula in order to concatenate and combine the first names and the last names. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that without a formula at all, using the flash fill formula in Excel. So I have a small data set here consisting of first names and last names. I want to generate a full name by concatenating first and last names. Using the flash fill formula is very simple. All we have to do is to generate the first and last name concatenation in the first cell and then apply the flash fill formula. So this is how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and copy the first name and paste it in the cell. Then I'm going to insert a space because that's what I want. I want there to be a space between the first and last name. And then I'll copy and paste the last name as so. And then I'll go to the next cell and there I will click on CTRL+E on my keyboard. The remainder of the list gets generated automatically. So how this works is flash fill looks for a pattern based on your entry. In this case, our entry in the first cell in which we combined first and last name. And it auto-completes the rest. And it works best when your columns are clean and consistent, like this one. And this helps eliminate the use of formulas altogether in many scenarios. And this is a very good feature, especially for large data sets and if we don't want our spreadsheet to contain a lot of formulas. So this was one use case in which we combined first and last names. Let's go through another use case related to emails. So in this data set, I want to generate an email based on the full name. And the way the email address is structured is it's supposed to be the first name followed by a dot, then last name, then @email.com. So in this case, we want the email to look something like this over here. So I'm going to generate that in the first cell and then see if flash fill could generate the rest of the list for me. So I'm going to copy the first name over here. I'm going to put a dot. Then I'm going to copy the last name as so, and then I'm going to write @email.com. And that's it. Then I'm going to do a CTRL+E in the cell beneath it, as so. And there we have it. As you can see, the flash fill shortcut automatically generated emails based on the full name. And I didn't need to go apply a formula or create a concatenation formula or any kind of formula whatsoever. And this is a very neat and very useful trick, and it will help save you a lot of time. You don't need to go create formulas anymore, and it makes things much easier. So next time you're combining text, try CTRL+E before jumping into formulas. It's quick, it's intuitive, and it's very powerful. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and also drop a comment below with your favorite Excel shortcut. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.